So I'm Shyam Prasad. I'm a member of ACCA and CAMA. I have been teaching ACCA and CAMA since 2014 and I am the founder of wowacademics.com.
So now we will start with the PESTEL analysis. So what is PESTEL? So we know that there are like many macroeconomical factors or external environmental factors which affect a business. So once we know these factors which affect the business, we might get confused because there are like so many factors which affect a company. So what we do is we first list out all the factors which affect a company, then we classify them into boxes. So we classify them as P as in political, E as in economical, S as in social, T as in technological, E as in environmental, and L as in legal. So once we know all the factors which affect the company, we then segregate them into headings. So now we will see like what are the various factors which comes under each of these headings. So in political, you have all the list of items like this. So in reality and also in an examination, so we can't expect all the list of factors which can come in reality or in examination be covered in this list. So this is just an indicative list of factors which might affect a company. So any factor which is similar to this are also political. So we can take the bureaucracy of a government, corruption, freedom of the press, government type, government stability, political change, political stability, regulation, deregulation, social, employment legislations, tariffs, tax policies, and trade restrictions. So these are the factors which can be classified under the political heading. Under the economic heading, we have factors like business cycle stage. So there's something called as a depression, boom, recession, and trough. So you can you have to go through a lot of newspapers and you have to read articles to know like what are the various economic factors which affect the business. So only by constant reading you will get an idea of the list of economic factors. So apart from business cycle stage, we also have consumers' disposable income, economic growth rate, exchange rate, GDP growth rate, interest rate, inflation, labor cost, labor supply, unemployment rate in a country. So these are not the ultimate list of economic factors. There are still many factors, but it depends upon the question to question, and we have to identify that element from a question. So that's how it works. So social factor, under the social heading we have these factors: the accepted practices, culture, customs, religion, age of population, population growth rate, birth rate, death rate, life expectancy, and demographics of population. So whether they are living in rural or in urban, male, female, all these comes under social. In technological, you have trademarks, patents, copyrights in a country, how a country typically handles these. We have R&D activity, level of innovation, automation, any incentive given by the government for technological adoption, the rate of technological change or obsolescence, technological shifts which can affect the cost and quality of the products. In environmental, we can have the weather, the climate, the animal protection laws, mining rules, environmental clearances. Even though somewhere these are a little bit can be classified under the heading of legal also, we can classified it under the environmental because it's animal protection. Mine is also comes under environmental. So there is no strict limit as to whether certain factors should fall under one heading. Sometimes it might even fall under two headings. So it's not about, the mark is not about the right identification of the heading. So somewhere you know that this is a factor which affects a company and it affects its profitability, then you can put it under a slightly any appropriate heading, but you should say that this factor will affect a company. That is a very key thing here. And in legal, you have the consumer protection law, patent law, health and safety, company law, income tax law, environmental law, labor law. So any change in these laws might also affect the profitability of a business.
You can reach me at my website wowacademics.com, or you can also see my Quora answers. I am active in LinkedIn and in Facebook page. So you can visit at these places. If you just type Shyam Prasad and Wow Academics, you will get all these links in Google search itself. And if you like this video, give a like, share to your friends, and if you feel that any points we have missed in this video, you can post it. We will try to give an answer to you in the comment section itself, or we'll also create another video for you. So thank you for watching our video.